Hello folks. Well, this 79-year-old kid is going to fly his other Eachine 180 direct drive, no gears helicopter with 2 rotor blades this time. Oh, imagine that. You know, if you didn't see the first video of me flying it with 1 rotor blade, you might want to check the link in the description box or the picture icon at the end of this video. That way you can see the difference of me flying it with 1 rotor blade versus 2. But hell, I am the NightFlyyer, so we need to do some of that.
Welcome to HTX.
Here we go.
3D, engine off, normal mode, high raise, 3D mode, normal mode.
And if you don't mind, I'm just going to fly it like real helicopters fly. I only have 1 battery tonight, and you know, there are old pilots and bold pilots, but no old bold pilots. And I'm old, so I just feel like a relaxing flight. Here we go. This is how this flies with 2 rotor blades. It's 9:35 p.m., 88 degrees, 6-mile-an-hour wind, and just too many mosquitoes for anything.
Welcome. Ha ha ha.
Well, thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Now it's on to some bigger aircraft and helis for the summer. So this is what's coming next. In order to see that, just stay tuned by subscribing. This is Dave the NightFlyyer with 2 Ys, and we'll see you then, God willing.
Goodbye.